Hello, my name is Evan. This is my YouTube channel. Say hello to Evan. Hello. What's up, folks? 3 days in a row, I am putting up a video. So that's been exciting. As I stated the other day, maybe you didn't see it, but I'm gonna put them up whenever I feel like it. So apparently I've been feeling like it for the past few days. And I'm gonna continue with my awesome theme of loving the ladies of the 80s, a new slant on that. And I was doing Cyndi Lauper. Now we've got the Eurythmics, the lovely Annie Lennox on lead vocals, Dave Stewart, the man, the genius, with her. But of course it's her voice that we know. Here Comes the Rain Again. Comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory, falling on my head like a new emotion. I want to walk in the open wind, I want to talk like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? Oh, baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Oh, baby, talk to me like lovers do. Raining on my head like a tragedy, tearing me apart like a new emotion. I want to breathe in the open wind, I want to kiss like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Oh baby, talk to me like lovers do. Lovers do. Oh baby, walk with me like lovers do. So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Ooh. Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory, falling on my head like a new emotion. Wanna walk in the open wind, I want to kiss like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? All right. Yeah. All right. Hope you enjoyed that. I did. There was. I'm going to put a few links down below. One to the video And then there's an acoustic version that I heard on my Apple Music that it was just, I'm guessing it was Dave Stewart. I didn't see the video, but it was playing just acoustic guitar with just Annie Lennox singing, and it was short like that too. It didn't, because the song does a lot of repetitive stuff, and it's very synthesizer based, as if you remember it. I'll have the video for that down below, and then also I'll try and put this acoustic version up. I got some inspiration from that for sure. So, hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back again. I've got some more incredible female performers lined up that I'm going to do some songs I'm very excited about. So, hope you've been enjoying this. Leave me some comments. Let me know. I've been getting some great comments. Thanks, everybody. I want to mention, Rich, also, that you did request True Colors a while ago. And I know how much you enjoyed that performance yesterday. It meant a lot what you said. So thank you very much. I appreciate you checking out the videos. And a little more Ev, you know, why not? All right. Say goodbye, Mr. Big Skull. Love is love, everybody. Take care.